my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Shakara, and we're back in France. I actually been here for about 2 weeks almost, but I have been entertaining family, so I haven't been doing much in the apartment. However, I wanted to do a few projects that would help improve the apartment. So this video is going to be just a few projects I was able to get done while I was here in France. So sit back and enjoy. The first project I had was to add handles to this dresser, so for easy access. I bought these brass looking knobs, metal knobs for the dresser. I figured they had like an antique look to them, so I figured that would go good with the dresser, so we'll see. So I got the first two handles on. I just have to get the other four on. What am I talking about? Other four handles on. And I will get it in 3, 2, 1. So they're all done. I tried to line up the handles as close as possible. My measurements might not be totally accurate, but yeah, it works. As long as it works, I can pull the drawers out. That's all I care about. We're working here. And here. And everything goes backward. Oh, let's draw. There we go. Perfect. The next project I had was to give this little kitchenette area a makeover. This is where my sink is in the apartment. It is separate from the rest of the kitchen. It's like in its own little room, but it was so dingy and dirty and dusty, and I just wanted to give it a little bit of a paint job and clean it up a little bit.
Could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop. and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know.
I know it doesn't seem like I did much, but I just wanted to do a little bit so that when I come back next time, I can finish it off a little bit more, a little bit at a time. I ran out of time to do the bottom. I could only do the sink part. So eventually I'm going to clean this down here, paint it the same color as the floor here, and then put a curtain across there. But again, I'm racing time here. So this is the final result today. So I want to add a shelf right here. Just a little bit above where I have these shelves, just to have maybe even like get this lamp a little higher and then store some things up there. So right about right there.
Is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now?
Here we go, I put this miserable song on repeat, 'cause you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right, you say you will, but then you don't. You just don't. You don't care, 'cause you don't take me seriously.
All right, you guys, that is it. That is the end of the video. It was a really short one this time. Like I said, I was entertaining family members. I got sick a little bit, and I had a lot of activities, so I was only able to do a little bit in the apartment this time. But next time I come, I'm going to be here for way longer and have all these fun things that I'm going to be doing here. And so look forward to that. But that'll be much later in the year, probably around September sometime. The next video will be probably back into the room of gloom and doing the hoarder room again. But anyway, just stay tuned for the next video. If you want to, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I have my next video up. Until I see you next time, take care. Au revoir.